Welcome. Today, we learn how to create an object with keys generated by running a function on the original keys. The values remain unchanged, while the keys are dynamically transformed. Let's get started. Our goal is to generate a new object where keys are transformed using a function, while values remain unchanged. This is useful for renaming keys dynamically based on values or other conditions. This function extracts the object keys, applies a transformation function, and reconstructs a new object with the modified keys. The values remain unchanged, making it a flexible approach. The process involves extracting keys, transforming them, and reconstructing the object. This technique provides an efficient way to rename or modify keys dynamically based on specific conditions. This table shows different scenarios where keys are modified based on various functions. Whether appending values, converting case, or adding suffixes, the approach remains the same. This technique is valuable in API response handling, data transformation, and configuration management. It helps standardize and format data efficiently without modifying the actual values. In summary, mapping object keys dynamically enhances flexibility in data handling, whether renaming API fields or structuring configuration objects. This method provides a robust solution. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.